Hello friends, welcome to Otica Healthcare Private Limited. Today we are going to demonstrate an unboxing of sterile premium plain sheet. This is water resistance. It is sterilized by ETO and it is of good quality, 100% medical grade material. And this is the sterile, so you can use it in the operation theater, in the hospital environment, wherever. In the hospital where you need a sterility and to prevent the infection, it comes with this kind of sterile pouch. We just need to, whenever you open this seal, automatically the sterility gets opened, and you can see the quality and the size of this product is of good quality, and it comes with a 6.5 feet in the length, and it comes with a 4 feet in the width. So this is the most compatible sterile disposable plain sheet. You can use it in anywhere, in the beauty clinics, in the hospital, in the operation theater, or wherever you need a sterile, good quality disposable draw sheet. We can see, and this is made of PE, which means polyethylene. This is recyclable, so after disposed, it is environment friendly. You can reuse it after recycling. So this is of good quality and useful in various applications. Thank you.